3, 2, 1.
The air in this room's getting thin. My patience for you is getting thinner. Don't care if you're lonely again. Just let me escape for a minute. I want space, build myself a spaceship. Your gravity, but I wanna be weightless. Suit up, I can't take this blast off. I'm over the moon, I'm loving this view. Not thinking about you. I'm cutting you loose in T-2. Not thinking about you. I'm over the and you can't keep it close all the time. I don't need to ask your permission, and I've got enough on my mind. I'm making my own damn decisions. I want space, build myself a spaceship. Your gravity, but I wanna be weightless. Suit up, I can't take this blast off. I'm over the moon, I'm loving this view. Not thinking about you. I'm cutting you loose in T-2. Not thinking about you. I'm over the
We don't have a problem. Thanks for checking in. But I'm gonna be up here a bit longer.
I'm over the moon, I'm loving this view. Not thinking about you. I'm cutting you loose in T-2. Not thinking about you. I'm over the
If I would've known, if I had picked up on your tone, yeah, we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't be laying here just staring at the wall, waiting for you to get a call. So you got a reason to leave without making a thing about it. I thought I was free of you, and now the thought of you, it makes me sick. And baby, I gotta tell you the truth, I've got this empty space, and here's the thing about it. I've been looking for somebody new, but keeping it happy with you. Hate to admit that it's true, but I keep on believing that someone like you could pull me right out of the blue. But baby, I'm blinking in June, and I'm just sad in the summer. In the summer, baby, I'm so sad in the summer. In the summer, baby, I'm so sad. So I've been here before, picking myself up from the floor, yeah. It's not a mistake if it's happening every day. I'd rather be alone, give back his records and his clothes, yeah, than hear him say, baby, I swear that I'm changing. I thought I was free of you, and now the thought of you, it makes me sick. And baby, I gotta tell you the truth, I've got this empty space, and here's the thing about it. I've been looking for somebody new, but keeping it happy with you. Hate to admit that it's true, but I keep on believing that someone like you could pull me right out of the blue. But baby, I'm blinking in June, and I'm just sad in the summer. Sad in the summer, baby, I'm sad in the summer. In the summer, baby, I'm so sad. I've been feeling like lately you might just be a craving. I know that it's wrong, but baby, don't it feel amazing? I've been feeling like lately you might just be a craving. I know that it's wrong, know that it's wrong. I've been looking for somebody new.